Hey everyone, I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be checking out a very simple restoration solution from Resto, which is the AC Vent Register Anti-Rattle Kit designed for the 1979 to 1986 Mustangs. So the way that the AC Vent Register Anti-Rattle Kit came about was whenever Shannon, the owner of our company, performed a complete rotisserie restoration on his Uncle Ted's 1985 ASC McLaren Capri. Of course, it being a four-eyed fox body and a Capri for that matter, there were several areas on Ted's car that required custom-built solutions. This kit is one of those solutions, and Shannon was sure to let me know on how well it worked, and the overall experience that it offered was phenomenal, and each vent moved side to side extremely well in Ted's Capri. Now let's take a closer look at the kit. This anti-rattle kit from Resto is going to consist of 4 medium-duty foam strips with adhesive backing that will surround each of the vent registers, and 4 felt pieces that are both slim and pliable, and these will also have an adhesive backing. The felt pieces are designed to go in between the register surround and the vent. The pre-cut hole that you see in each piece is for alignment purposes to clear the small plastic pivot. Again, these are very pliable and very easy to work with. This kit will service all 4 of the AC vent registers found in 1979 to 1986 Mustangs. There are going to be 2 on the driver's side and 2 on the passenger side. Now for the sake of this video, I'm just going to be showing the driver's side in action, as the passenger side AC register assembly, it's kind of a pain and you know what to get to. The passenger side piece is held in with 2 PAL nuts on the back side of the dash. The instrument bezel surround comes out by removing the 3 Phillips head screws that are located underneath the dash pad. Once those are out of the way, tilt the bezel towards you and then out to remove it. To remove one of the vent registers, carefully depress either the top or bottom tab and then slide it out of the bezel. Remove the old foam and adhesive from the instrument bezel. Use this opportunity to clean any dirt and dust buildup. Install one of the provided foam strips into place. Once you wrap the entire surround, these are going to be trimmed to fit. Remove the old felt and adhesive from the AC register. Take this time to thoroughly clean these if you so choose. Go ahead and cut one of the felt pieces in half and apply these to the rearward halves of the top and bottom of the AC registers. Do this for the other areas, and then you're good to go. All right, when it comes to the Mustang hobby, I think we are all amazed by choppy cams, nitrous purges, and of course the rattly, grinding whistle of an old school Vortec on a Fox body. But what we don't always appreciate are the little kits like this one, the problem solvers, as I like to call them. So if you're a 1979 to 1986 Fox Mustang owner and you're about to tackle some interior restoration, I would definitely add this Resto AC Vent Register Anti-Rattle Kit to your list. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to turn on notifications, that way you're notified every time we release new content. Don't forget to check out our other videos, and for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.